There's the little wren.
Oh, I see the eggs. Oh. Okay, show me the locusts.
Okay, Mama, come on. Aww. Sorry, I didn't know you were home.
They're grass. Not a black ram. Have you talked to Josh?
Yeah, he said he was on his way.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I keep sinking in.
Well, we'll go through the grass. Just a minute.
Ugh, my shoes.
See the holes?
So these, or what are they called? Oh, there's one right there.
Yeah, they're huge.
What is it called? A cicada? Huh?
Yeah.
What? What are they called? What are they called?
Cicada?
A cicada. And there's a dead one.
Yeah,
There's dead ones right there.
Right here, Elizabeth. It's got big red eyes. Hurry. See it on the tree?
Oh my God. It scared me.
But see the holes that they come out of?
So they just, they
come
live in
out
these
every
things?
17 years. Look, they're everywhere. The holes. And they're having sex. That's the sound you hear. And they lay eggs in the trees. Okay, see. Like
That's so crazy. They're so loud.
See, they're dead. I know. They're dead on the trees.
Why are they dying?
They have sex and then they climb up in the trees and lay their eggs. See how they're hanging up in the trees?
So they sleep for 17 years and wake up to have sex and die.
Yeah. See them all up in the trees where they just lay their eggs?
That's crazy.
Morning, you wake up, you hear it.
There's another one.
Is it alive?
No, it's dead.
Just like, but look at all the crazy holes.
This is crazy.
It gets old. I mean, day in and day out.
So I am out in the middle of the woods right now, and there are like a million cicadas out here. It's ridiculous, and you can probably hear them. It's crazy how loud they are. Maybe I can find some and show you. Wait, here we go. Here, hold on. Let me flip this around. I can't flip it around now. All of those are dead cicadas. They're everywhere. It's ridiculous.
It's just a shell.
Ew, don't touch it. There's Taylor. I know, but they're still gross and dead.
No, it just shells. It's skin.
But they still die afterwards, like.
Not that.
Well, I don't know. I'm not a cicada expert. I just know that they're really freaking loud. And that they're everywhere.
Here's a dead one.
Okay, here's an actual dead one, apparently. Let's poke it with a stick. Gross. Yuck. Ew, don't. I'm so scared you're gonna like flick it at me.
Aren't the wings pretty though?
Ew! Gross.
I flicked it at you.
Don't do that. And today is Memorial Day too, so happy Memorial Day, everybody. Say happy Memorial Day. He doesn't like the camera very much. Well then get out of the woods. Let's go check on the food. Oh, I guess it's done. There's no more food in there, so I guess it's inside now. Okay. Vlogger out.
I saw your YouTube video.
There's my brother. There's my stepsister, Taryn. There's my beautiful mother. Look how lovely she is. Oh, work it, girl.
Don't forget mint feed.
And Memphis.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
The sweetest puppy.
This is a baby.
Now, where's the food? I want to vlog my food.
Oh,
What's in here?
pasta
Salad. Some really dank jalapeno cream cheese. Pretzels. Plain chips. Barbecue chips. And potato salad. And some slaw for the hot dogs. Where's everything else?
I'm getting it.
Everything. Oh, there's some pork and beans in there. You can't see it though. I'm so hungry. Oh, here's the rest of the food. Here's the chicken. Yum. And hot dogs. Been craving a hot dog. And these are the flowers I got my mom for Mother's Day.
I don't do the whole bacon thing. I like bacon.
Are they really? Oh.
There's my boyfriend who hates the camera and is looking at me like he wants to kill me. Sorry, I'll stop. He's really gonna kill me. Like, this is the last video ever because I'm gonna be dead after this. There's my brother who is like really freaking late.
Hey, I got here just in time for all the food to be done.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well, we have to leave soon because Taylor has to be at work. Yes, he does.
Elizabeth,
What?
what's that place at that we went
Chiller.
to and they had
It was so nasty. It was called like the Boho House or something like that, and it was a vegetarian restaurant, and it was disgusting.
and it was like what
It was like tofu. They had like
chicken.
tofu chicken wings
stick.
on like little stick thingies. I don't know. It was nasty.
And it was supposed to be.
Awesome hours.
Okay, I'm gonna stop videotaping. How should I?
I don't know, ask Larry. I don't hear